Hi culture eaters, guess what? I have a little trick I'm gonna play on Linling. She's hiding right now. I'm just gonna call her into the kitchen. Most people know one of the famous dishes of Quebec, which is a junk food, by the way. It's nothing fancy, but it is poutine. And Linling is not the biggest foodie or fan of being in the kitchen, but I'm gonna trick her and I'm going to make her make a poutine, and then we'll get her to try it in front of the camera. Linling, can you please come and help me?
Yes, I'm here.
Hey! Are you hungry? Would you like a little something to eat?
Yeah, of course.
You think you can help me in the kitchen? Come on, you can do it. You can do it. We're gonna do poutine.
Okay. What? You can do what?
Poutine. You don't know what poutine is?
No.
Who doesn't know what poutine is? My God, I've been in the sun all day. Poutine, we are gonna have a classic Quebec junk food.
Well, I do like McDonald's. So.
You do like McDonald's. Do you like fries?
I do like fries.
Do you like cheese?
I do like cheese.
Do you like sauce? Like a brown sauce?
Yes.
Well, we're going to mix all those three together. Linling, we have to cook the fries. Do we have fries on the counter?
We do have fries.
We have fries on the counter.
We have fries.
I'm so sweet. I preheated the oven for you.
Yay.
Could you
I forget that. I would always forget that.
How about we put some fries in that pan that just happens to be prepared with aluminum paper?
I'm a lucky bird. Yay. Is this enough for all of them?
Oh, that's good.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
it'll be perfect. Yeah, put them in one layer.
There we go. I've actually made fries before, just say.
Oh, that's good.
I know how to cook them. My mom would say it's not cooking, but yeah. Can I put it in the oven now?
Yes, you can.
Yeah, it's already warm. Whoa. Wow, okay, it's warm.
It's warm, and it's an old stove, as you guys can see.
There is no way to check up on the fries. We just say goodbye and then we wish them luck.
Well, I have a timer on, don't worry.
Oh, that's good.
Alright, our fries are halfway cooked, so it's time to warm up the poutine sauce. That comes last. The squeaky cheese. So can you show us the poutine can? We just went with a regular can that you can already buy, and we are going to warm it up on the stove. You think you can handle putting that in the pan and warming it up?
Should I put something else in there, or I can put it straight in?
Oh yeah, put it straight in.
Yeah, looks good.
Think you're gonna start your YouTube cooking channel soon?
No.
Let's take them out.
My fingers are burning.
And we'll be back in a little bit. We'll flip the fries and we'll be back and do the poutine dish.
Yeah.
Alright, our fries are ready. Our sauce is warm and ready. It's time to assemble the poutine. Come on, Linling, assemble the poutine time.
Yay.
So we'll take fries out of the oven to make sure that your fries and your sauce is really hot, so you can really melt the cheese properly. So you can divide the fries into two bowls with the spatula. And we have two lovely bowls of golden fries.
Yay.
Next up is curd cheese. Because it's just curds left over from a liquid. And I will let you sprinkle a nice amount of curd cheese on top of the fries. We also call it squeaky cheese.
But it's like so big. Should I just use my fingers?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead and use your fingers. We call it also squeaky cheese because when you eat one in your mouth and your teeth are cutting into it, often it makes a squeaky noise.
Squeaky cheese. I don't think I've seen this before. Is this enough?
Oh, yeah, that's good. Maybe a little more piece there. Perfect.
Yeah.
And now we spoon over some lovely brown poutine sauce. You can use the white ladle and put a nice amount. Right over the cheese. Perfect for that one. Beautiful poutine Quebec specialty.
Hey, there we go.
Alright, and let's go set ourselves at the table to have a taste. Here we go, we're going to have our taste of poutine. Thank you so much, Linling, for playing along and letting me force you to cook a recipe in the kitchen.
You're welcome. Okay. One thing at a time, or you try to grab?
Oh, it'd be good if you grab a fry and a curd and dip it well in the sauce.
Mm. It does say that sound. Yeah.
There we
the
go.
cheese.
It is squeaky.
I need some salt for this though. Oh my god, the sound is so weird. The cheese is just like oh. Mm.
Usually it should be a little bit more melted.
But apart from that, it's very nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's not as scary as it sounds, because I think I described to you poutine in Beijing and you were like, ugh!
Oh really?
Yeah.
I grew up since then, I guess. But I'm not a fan of the sound of the cheese. Huh.
You get used to it. It's actually a sign of its freshness.
Oh.
The less fresh it is, the less squeaky it is.
Oh well.
Well, we will let you go and continue eating our little bowl of poutines each. So thank you again so much for watching. Thank you, Linling at Lenaaround, link in the description below, for participating in this cooking experiment.
You're welcome.
And I'll see you very soon with more videos, either from the kitchen. There's going to be a lot of Montreal and a lot of travel advice. So we will see you very soon. Happy poutine. Bye.
Bye.